Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Honkai Star Rail beta. First, you will need to locate official announcements for beta tests, typically found on the game's official website or social media. Next, carefully complete the application form, providing all requested details. Ensure your device meets the minimum system specifications and that you reside in an eligible region to increase your chances of selection. Once selected, you will receive an email invitation containing a unique access key and download instructions. Click the provided link to download the beta client, which is usually several gigabytes in size. Follow the installation wizard carefully, accepting the terms and conditions. After installation, launch the game and log in using your beta credentials to begin your journey. During the beta, you will experience unreleased content, including new characters, story chapters, and explorable areas. Take your time to explore the game world, test different team compositions, and engage in various combat scenarios. Pay close attention to game balance, user interface, and overall performance. This is your chance to see what is coming next. Your feedback is crucial for the game's development. Utilize the in-game reporting system to submit any bugs, glitches, or suggestions you encounter. Actively participate in the official beta forums to discuss your experiences with other players and developers. Constructive criticism helps refine the game, ensuring a better experience for everyone upon its full release. Thank you for contributing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.